With concerns of the coronavirus on everyone's mind, NHCS custodial staff is using the time students are out of school to reinforce and improve cleaning methods.
Well, currently we have bringing in all the building managers as well as administration is welcome, and we're showing them and giving them the techniques that are needed to clean all our schools thoroughly, classrooms, common areas, gyms, auditorium, all areas of the school, disinfecting according to CDC standards.
Many long-time cleaning procedures were reviewed for staff, such as clean dirty surfaces with soap and water before disinfecting them. The importance of wiping down surfaces such as chairs, doors and handles, desks, and even hall walls that students may touch. The use of disinfectants and chemicals to clean with was also discussed.
Well, we put into play that the disinfecting of the schools will keep going on a daily basis with the common areas and things of that nature. And we're also bringing in extra added disinfectants to clean the schools throughout the rest of the school year as well.
During this time when students are out of school, NHCS custodial staff is working very hard. They want to make sure students return to a clean and healthy school environment and that it stays that way once the halls and classes fill again.
2 weeks out of school is a big deal for everyone, and we just need to make sure the schools stay clean and healthy for our children, because that's most important, and of course the staff as well, to make sure they have a clean learning environment.